Today I'm going to show you how I go about creating text typography only using Blender and utilize volumes to enhance the text. Let's not waste any more time, go like the video and let's start. To start off, I write down my letters, then I use the letters as a base to create these stylized shapes. By the way, we're super close to 1000, so if you haven't subscribed already, now it's the perfect time to do it. Then I just fill up the text and yeah, it looks great. When I'm done, I just take a photo of the drawing and import it to Blender as a reference. Shift A, add a plane, move back the reference photo, press tab to go to edit mode and delete all the vertices except one. Now go to the modifiers tab, add a skin modifier, make branch smoothing 1 and tick smooth shading. Add a subdivision surface modifier with 3 levels. Place your mesh on top of your reference. And now just start filling up the text. You can extrude the mesh by pressing E and you can scale by pressing Ctrl A. It's a little different when you're using a skin modifier. When you finish modeling, delete the reference and apply the two modifiers. Add the remesh modifier, bring down the value and apply. Change the render engine to cycles and make the background transparent. Go to the sculpt mode and smooth out the text. Now we need to separate the letters. Go to edit mode, with your mouse cursor on the text, press L, press P to separate and do the same thing on the second letter. Press Shift A and add a volume empty and add a mesh to volume modifier. For the object, select your first letter. Make the density 1.6. Now add the volume displace modifier, make the strength 1.5, press new and press this button. Change the type to Voronoi, press N and make all the scale values 0.06. And the voxel amount, that's up to you. I'd say 150 is enough. Going higher will slow down the render by a lot and also slow down the viewport. But yeah, I'll be using 450 because I love the effect it makes. Select your volume and press Shift D to duplicate it. And on the mesh to volume modifier, deselect your object and select the second letter. And do the same thing for the rest of the letters. Now press Z to go to rendered mode and press Shift A and add a point light. Now paste this point light around the text so it will give us some really nice reflections. Also add 2 area lights on both the right and the left side of the text so we can light up the whole text. And in the end, add another point light behind the text. This time increase the radius a little and the strength as well. With your volume selected, create a new material and change the color to black. In the end, I'll just create a new material. I'll make the color blue, change the metallic value to 0.3, add the same material on all the letters. And yeah, you're pretty much done. Make sure to watch this video if you're interested in how to make this fisheye effect in Blender. Thanks for watching.